Hi, welcome to my channel. The E-Chinese Learning School had reached me out for a shout out. First and foremost, this video is not sponsored by the E-Chinese Learning School. I've done my research, read some online reviews, both positive and negative, and after some back and forth discussion, I finally gained some special bonus for you. Yes, to anyone who is watching this video right now. But before I get to it, please allow me to introduce a little bit about E-Chinese Learning School. The E-Chinese Learning School is a one-to-one online Chinese teaching platform. They have hundreds of professional teachers of Chinese as a foreign language. What I like is that they provide a variety of courses which can meet the needs of all types of Chinese learners, such as business Chinese lessons, HSK test prepare course, Mandarin Chinese lessons for dating for adoptive families, and customized Chinese lessons for kids, and much more. They basically have covered all categories you're looking for in learning Chinese. It's totally up to you. You decide which courses you'd like to join in, when and where the lesson will be taught. Recently, most of the lessons has been taken online via Skype. The good news is WeChat or QQ is also acceptable, and they even developed their own app. You'll be given tasks or homework at the end of each lesson. For the class review, you can check on the course selection page from their website. Here comes the special bonus. To anyone who is watching this video, E-Chinese Learning School offers 2 free classes for my viewers. Sign up with the link in my description box. Tell the teaching assistant that you were referred by the Chinese handwriting. Enjoy the 2 one-to-one Chinese lessons for free. Alright, coming up with a real teaching record from one of my friends, also my subscriber who had a chance to take a lesson. Please keep watching.
北京吗？
好，我在中国，但是我不在北京，我在长沙。
长沙。
你听说过长沙吗？
没有。
好，没关系。那我告诉你，长沙在哪，好吗？
在中国。
在中国，但是我告诉你，长沙在中国的哪里，好吗？
北方吗？
在南方。
在南方。
好，告诉你，好，这是中国。
中国。
那
对。
北京在这里。上海在这里。长沙在这里。好，你来过中国吗？
没来过。
没来过。好，我也没去过巴厘岛。好，那黎娜，你是哪国人？
我是印尼人。
印尼人。好，我是中国人。好，黎娜，你学中文多久了？
我学中文1年左右。1年
左右。好，那你为什么想学中文？
因为我偶然遇见了一位朋友，他是中国人。
好。
他来这里去年。 从那一天我就决定开始学中文。
哇，